what's up guys? Tyler Sassy here, Western Welding Academy. So look, we just got to the Potato State right here in Idaho Falls. We're at the Career and Technical Center, and I'm just super excited to, building America one little step at a time, welding with high school kids, talking about the blue collar trades, and I'm just really excited to weld with everybody here in Idaho. So let's get this thing kicked off and let's go out there and build America.
This is the Career and Technical Education Center here in Idaho Falls. We're affiliated with District 91 School District. I think we're starting to realize the need and the demand, right? We've talked about schools are realizing that, and the community's screaming at them enough that they need welders. So, there used to be a big push to go to four-year schools and get a four-year degree, but at a university, but there's no need to. You can go get a two-year degree or an education at a trade school and go make good money in the world. If you like working with your hands, do it.
Hey, so first things first, you guys are super, super lucky. Unbelievably lucky. You guys have a brand new tech center here. Best part of this tech center? Mr. Shepard. Giving you the knowledge that he's got in the back pocket, right? I spent a little time with him this morning. He worked the plants where they did a lot of that work, a lot of thin wall stainless. That's really, really important. The big thing is working with your hands. We see these tech centers as we travel coast to coast, and they're getting more and more popular. And the biggest thing that really makes up the difference, you guys have got a nice building here and you've got some nice equipment, but without people like Mr. Shepard here, ain't no good, right? Let's give it up to Mr. Shepard. Okay, hoods down. Ready?
Slick rig we got right here, built by Jesse James. Y'all want to see under the hood?
Looks pretty sick.
Down here in Idaho Falls, doing a little welding here at the Career Tech Center. It's a good place to be. What's your name? Sam. Sam? Yep. And Sam is about ready to walk the cup for the first time. So, ready?
I guess.
So today we are here with Western Welding Academy. We're just watching them weld. They're teaching us, we're welding with them.
Western Welding Academy came to visit us. Pretty cool school. Got the demo, all that, won a hood.
Biggest thing that I really want to talk to you guys about today is America's in a 9-line bind for blue collar workers, and it's going to take every one of us to participate in that. We're a welding school, and welding's great, but be a plumber, be an electrician, join a union, go into the blue collar trades. These are really, really high skilled, high paying jobs, and you'll never regret that decision. If you got the skills in your back pocket, I promise you'll thank yourself every Friday when you get that paycheck. So what we're really, really passionate about is traveling the country and telling that blue collar story, connect with the youth and see some of the struggles that they're struggling with, and incorporate that into our curriculum and how to make them more successful. that's really what the blue collar story, blue collar tour is all about, is just going around telling the blue collar story and inspiring, this next generation of kids to work with their hands and go to tech schools. That's what I love about this place, you know what I mean? Join a union, join a trade. That's really what we're really all about.